Hi, I'm Anna Sugarman. Thank you for joining me for Yogi Playtime, side crow today. So you might have already nailed your crow pose, or you might just be starting arm balances. For a lot of people, side crow is a little less intimidating than the central crow pose. So wherever you are, stand up on your mat. With an inhalation, chair pose. As you exhale, take a twist to your right. So snuggle in. That left elbow cruises down the outside of the right knee. Left knee's drawn back in line with the right. With an inhale, press right palm down into left to really turn your heart open. As you inhale, peel the arms open, dropping left fingers low, reaching the right high. And with the exhale, sink down into an even lower squat. You're going to drop both palms down to the right edge of the mat. That left elbow still pressed against the outside of the right knee. Right elbow presses into the right hip. Elbows bend like chaturanga to make a shelf for the body. Keep the gaze forward to maintain buoyancy in the heart. You're going to have to lean out into the fingertips, a little bit of a leap of faith. Now you might just point the left toes up off the mat and lower them down a few times, experimenting with the balance, with the sensation. Eventually, you'll lift the right toes up to meet the left. And as you're ready, you'll lower back down. So if you're ready to move on from there, we'll try the other side. An inhale brings you to chair pose. With the exhale, take that twist to the left. Inhale to deepen your twist in preparation. Exhale. And inhale to peel the arms open wide. Exhaling, you sink in. Drop the hands to the left edge of the mat. Wrists are parallel with that edge. Elbows bend like chaturanga as the left elbow smushes into the left hip. Lean forward, buoyant heart. Right toes lift. If you're ready, the left meet. Now from here, if you want to start playing with some fancy options, you can extend both legs toward the front of the mat. Or maybe you lift the right leg and then extend the left. Eventually, you might even switch legs. Chaturanga, up dog, and a child's pose. Now, after some play on the hands, the wrists tend to be a little sore, a little tight. So you can roll them out. You can plant the palms down, leaning back. A few different versions. And you can even bring one knee up. Take the arm beneath it. And with a little pressure there on the forearm, squeeze the hand into the fist. Release the pressure, open up the wrist. A few of those, some myofascial release for the forearm, some blood flow to the wrist. Switch sides. A little squeeze and a release. And a few times there. And you're finished. Thank you for playing. If you'd like to see more, check me out at EkhartYoga.com.